ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಲಾ. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು PW ಕನ್ನಡ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್. ಐ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಭಿಮನ್ಯು ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೆಲೋ ಹೆಲೋ ಎವ್ರಿವಾನ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್. ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿವಾನ್? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಫೈನ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಷನ್. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಹೆಲೋ. ಫೈನ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದಂಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫೈನ್. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ದಿವಾಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ? Yes, how is your preparations going on for Diwali, my dear students? Sweets adu tinta idira? Sweets adu tinta idire enilri? Fast. Full ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ವೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ರೈಟ್? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆರ್? ಸೂಪರ್. ಹೆಲೋ ಎವ್ರಿವಾನ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಫೈನ್. Yes, welcome to the session students. Ivattu banbittu we are going to start with the important topic over here, and that is nothing but what? Introduction to trigonometry. Clear? We are going to do this topic, introduction to trigonometry. One shot alli complete in basics aiti adan nodona, problems we will solve and then we will move forward. Okay? Hi pa, naan mast agidini. Nee hengidiya? Start madona bega. Chalo start madona. So last topic we had done coordinate geometry over here. Okay, coordinate geometry anna now madidvi. Fine. Today's topic, it is nothing but what? Trigonometric ratios of some specific angle, trigonometric identities, and then we are going to do problems and MCQs. Fine. These topics we are going to do today. Clear alla? Good evening ellarigu. Good evening. Namaste ellarigu. Welcome to the session, my dear students. Namaste ellarigu. Clear? So yes, last class do. Fine. If you need the notes, DPPs of the last session students, heng tagolodu, extra question practice heng madodu. If you need all those things, you have to download the PW app from the Play Store. Correct? PW app anna Play Store inda download ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಪ್. ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಸ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಅಭಿಮನ್ಯು ಕನ್ನಡ 3.0 ಅನ್ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಚ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಭಿಮನ್ಯು ಕನ್ನಡ 3.0. ಫೈನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಅಭಿಮನ್ಯು ಕನ್ನಡ 3.0. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಫೈನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? Fine, it is as usual scheduled. Clear? So it is a free batch, absolutely free of cost. ನೀವು ₹1 ಕೂಡ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, if you click on explore students, you will get description what all this batch includes over here. Fine. And then course duration, validity. Subjects ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get physics, chemistry, maths, biology. Maths ಅಲ್ಲಿ maths notes, DPP ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Absolutely free of cost over here. Done other? So if this is clear, let us move on to today's topic of discussion. That is what you will get from this session. Okay, all the important questions we will be solving over here. Ivatin session alli we will be solving all the important questions practice for one of the most difficult topic. Clear? Nangantu difficult ansangilla. Yes jana gidan difficult anistada? I am from Udan batch. Very nice appa. Fine. Clear? Ella ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತದ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಭಿ? Fine. So important questions you will get, important questions for practice from one of the most difficult topic. Nimge ansutta, nangen ansalla. Easy topic and super important MCQs we will have. Clear ada? Fine. Done students? Yes. Now starting with the introduction. What is trigonometry? Clear? Very nice. Clear? So what is trigonometry students? It trigonometry word enadalla, it is divided into two parts. That is nothing but what? Trigon. Fine. Fine. Trigon. So what is meaning of trigon over here? Or it is nothing but what? Triangle. Correct? Triangle. Fine. and metry means measure. Fine. Metry, when we talk about metry, German nag idakka, sorry, Greek naga, we call it as trigon, means triangle. Fine. Metry means nothing but what? Measure. Clear? So when we talk about trigonometry over here, trigonometry is nothing but what? The, fine, the process of, or measuring the angle of the triangle, measuring the angle, measuring the angle of triangle is called trigonometry. Clear? Trigonometry. Measuring the angle of the triangle is called as trigonometry. Understood, students? If you want to measure the angle of the triangle, that branch of maths is called as trigonometry. Clear? Idella basics, pat basics clear madkolonu, and then we will move further. Okay? Good evening, ellarigu. Welcome to the session. Fine. Next, why do we need trigonometry? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು, ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಏನೈತಿ? ಫೈನ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತಿದ್ರಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಿಟಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಫೈನ್. And in this building you are sitting on this floor over here, correct? Il floor ada, on this floor of the building you are sitting. Fine. On this topmost floor you are sitting over here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಕುಂತೀರಿ. Fine. But suddenly what will happen? There will be fire. Fire hachak start ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫೈರ್ ಹಚ್ಚಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Now students, there are staircase over here. Okay, there are staircase over here to reach the bottom of the building. Fine. ನೀವೇನು ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? We want trigonometry to study. Okay, so yes, why do we need trigonometry, students? Now you will get an idea. To measure the angles. Main thing is to measure the angles. Okay, to measure the sides, measure the sides when angles are known. Measure the sides when angles are known of a triangle. Clear? Okay, fine. Understood? Now students, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಿರಿ, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಕುಂತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ there will be a fire starting in the building. What you will do, students? ನೀವು ವಿಂಡೋ ಇಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ or you will go by stairs? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಂಗೆ, tell me. What you will do, students? Fast ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? if there is a fire over here, will you jump from the window or you will go by the stairs? ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಟಕ್ 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 ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. Yes, if there is a fire over here, sudden fire ada, fine, and you are sitting directly, will you jump from the window or steps? Yes, we'll go by steps, because you know that life, whatever is there, it is wealthy for you people. Jump ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ direct ತಳಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸೀದಾ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? You'll fall here down, ತಳಗಂತೂ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ, but ಸೀದಾ you'll go up. Did you people understand this? Clear? Now how did you analyze this? Fine. Okay, you will call Zomato guy. Okay, fine. Did you people understand? So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾತಂದ್ರ, if you fall down, you will go directly up. So what you will do, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತದ, I'll go by steps. Fine, I'll go by steps ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ? ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಏನೂ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Now how did you analyze this? You analyzed it with the help of the constructing a triangle over here. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಯು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಯು ಥಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನಾನು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರ ಫೈರ್ ಹತ್ತಿದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓಡ್ರಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಜಂಪ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಜಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಗೋ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಡೌನ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. Now trigonometry, it is very important topic for you when you go to your class 11th. Fine. Trigonometry is very important for you when you go to class 11th. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 11th ಆಗಲಿ 12th ಆಗಲಿ ನೀವು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ 100% ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಫೈನ್. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ದ ಒಂದು ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಒಬ್ರು ಅಂಟಿ ಯಾರೇ ಇರ್ತಾರ. ಫೈನ್, ಯಾರೇ ಒಬ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರ ಅಂಟಿ. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಈ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಏನ್ ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, ಆ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಏನ್ ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, ಈ ಬಾಜುಗಿನ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಏನ್ ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, ಬಾಜುಗಿನ ಮನಿ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಯಾವ ಮನಿ ಹುಡುಗ ಜೊತೆ ಬೈಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗಾತಾಳ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೀವ. ದಿಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೈಕ್? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ? ಇಂಥದೆಲ್ಲ ಉಸಾಬರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿರ್ತಾಳ. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಉಸಾಬರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ನಾಗೂ ಉಸಾಬರಿ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ನಾಗೂ ಉಸಾಬರಿ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಫೈನ್. ಫೈನ್. ಈ ಮನಿ ಬಾಜುಗಿನ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಉಸಾಬರಿ ಮಾಡೋದ ಆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ನಾಗೂ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which does usabari with all the people. Clear ada? Fine students. So yes, with that, let us start with the topic that is nothing but what? Trigonometric ratios. Now when we talk about trigonometric ratios over here, suppose we are taking this as your angle, this as the triangle A, or we'll take this as A, this as B, and this as C. Now this is your angle A. Exactly to opposite of the angle A, this is called as the opposite side. Okay, opposite side. This is called as the adjacent side. Okay, and this is called as the hypotenuse. Clear? Opposite side, hypotenuse, and adjacent side. Now we will start discussing the trigonometric ratios. That is nothing but sine A. Okay, A is the angle over here, students. A is the angle. So sine A will be equals to, yes, opposite by hypotenuse. So it will be opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. Clear? Sine A is nothing but what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Now when we talk about cos A, cos A is nothing but what, students? Your adjacent by hypotenuse. Clear? Clear ada? And then we talk about tan A. Tan A is nothing but what? Sorry, it is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Clear ada? Yalla basics anna cover madona, and then we will move on to back problems. Yes, very nice. Be active in chat box, everyone. Fine. Sir, how much marks will you get from this lesson in CBSE? In CBSE minimum it will come for 17 to 18 marks. In state board also it comes for 17 to 20 marks. In that range this topic is having the importance. Okay, clear? Along with applications of trigonometry. This is topic ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡತೀನಿ. Introduction to trigonometry, applications of trigonometry. 20 marks you can catch from this topic. Clear? Next, when we talk about cotangent of A or cot A, it is nothing but what? Fine, we'll talk about cosecant A. Cosecant A, it is nothing but what, students? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by opposite. Okay, secant A. Secant A is equals to what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Clear? And then we talk about cotangent of A, which is nothing but what? Adjacent by opposite. Clear? Understood, students? Fine. Okay, so this is what we have over here. Clear alla? Fine. Yes, depends on the angle. Now I am talking about the angle A. So angle A ga opposite side will be this, like this, and the adjacent side will be this. Clear ada? Okay. Now if I talk about C over here, C ga opposite side will change, and your adjacent will change. Hypotenuse will remain same. This will not change because the hypotenuse is right angle the exact opposite side. Done ada? Yes. Clear? Yes. Now the values of trigonometric ratios, okay, think pad ida, think madre, fine. Does the values of the trigonometric ratios, fine, value of the trigonometric ratios of an angle do not vary with the length of the sides of the triangle if the angle remains the same. Clear ada? Understood, students? Adjacent and base are equal. Sir, can we take opposite sides as perpendicular and base? Yes, you can take up. No issues. Both are same. Opposite and adjacent is dependent on the angle, correct? Opposite side is same as perpendicular, adjacent is same as base. Clear? Yes, very nice. Now, coming to this, they are telling that whatever the trigonometric, understand the summary of this. Trigonometric ratios do not depend on the length of the triangle, okay, length of the triangle, but depends on the angle, okay, angle estada atra mag depend agtada. Clear alla? Did everyone understand this? Clear or not? Fine. Now relationships, okay, relationship, nim relationship alla, fine, trigonometric ratios of the relationship. ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲರೇ ಬಾಜು ಮನಿ ಹುಡುಗಿದ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿರಿ ನಂಗೆ, ಹೌದನಿಲ್ಲ? ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನಂತಲೇ ಬಾಜು ಮನಿದ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಫೈನ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ relationship, okay, fine. Now sine A and cosecant A are related. First relationship is sine A is equals to 1 by cosecant A. Clear? Second relation we have cos A is equals to 1 by secant A. Clear? Third relation we have tan A. Tan A is equals to 1 by cot A. Done? Clear alla ellarigu? Tan A is equals to 1 by cot A. Next students, coming to the fourth one, we have tan of A, tangent of A is equals to sine A by cos A. Clear? And fifth one we have your cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Clear ada? Understood the relationships? 5 relationships are there. That is what you have to understand over here. Done? Now next, do this. In a right angle triangle ABC, sin A is 1 by 3. Then you need to find cos A. In a right angle triangle ABC, sin A value 1 by 3 anatara, you need to find cos A. Fast find ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Yes. ಸುಮ್ ಕುಂತು ಓದ್ರಿ, ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಚಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಚಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗ. ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್, ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಡನ್ ಅದ? cos A is equal to 3. A ಮನ್ಯ ಅವರ cos A ಕೇಳಾತಾರ, cosecant A ಕೇಳಾತಿಲ್ಲ. Understand here the relationship. Sin A value 1 by cosecant A other. Fine. Not sin A is equals to 1 by cos A alla. Tappa. Understood? Fine. So here they are telling in a right angle triangle. Correct? Right angle triangle. So nadu enada illi B other. Correct? So this is B over here. It is right angled at B. You can take this as C and this you can take it as A. Correct? Fine. This is the angle we have. They are telling sin A value is equal to 1 by 3. So this is nothing but what, students? Here we have 1, here we have 1. So it is nothing but what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Correct alla? So id nimda 1 aita. This is 1 and this is we have 3. Now which theorem can we use over here? Abhi, very nice. Which theorem can we use over here to find BA? ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರ? ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂದಿದಾಗ ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಅವ್ರ? ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಯೋರ್ AC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು AB ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ BC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. AC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನದ? 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದ. AB ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ AB ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನದ? ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್. Plus BC square we have 1 square. 3 square 9. AB square value will be 9 minus 1 which is 8. So AB value will be equals to what? Root of 8. Root of 8 is nothing but what? 2 root 2. So this side is what? 2 root 2. Fine. So once we have this, it is easier to find cos A, and cos A is equal to your adjacent by hypotenuse, which is nothing but what? 2 root 2 divided by 3. This is the answer. Understood everyone? Root 8 by 3. Correct. Understood? Samadhana? Okay. Next go gona. Chalo. Next problem if you see. Given that tan A is 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. Correct? Ee riti alla problems nimga 3 marks ig bartade. They will give you one trigonometric ratios and you need to find the others. Okay, do it fast agi ಮಾಡೋಣ. simultaneously ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now they are telling that in the given tan A is 4 by 3, same triangle ada. So we can consider this as nothing but what? This as we can consider it as C, and this as B, and this as A. Correct alla? Fine. So itra exact opposite. This side is there. Fine. So tan A is equals to 4 by 3, and we know that this is nothing but what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Clear? So 4 is over here, opposite, and this is 3. Then by Pythagoras theorem, this side you need to calculate. So AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square, which is nothing but what? AB value another 3 square other, and BC value another 4 square other. So 3 square is 9 plus 16, which is equals to what? 25. So AC value will be equals to what? Root of 25, which is nothing but what? 5. So this value is 5 over here. Clear? So once we have this, now it is easy to find all the other things. Yes or no? It is easy. Hey, super appa, Abhi, Manya, very nice. Clear? So illinda sin A value will be nothing but what? Sin A is nothing but what? Opposite by hypotenuse, which is 4 by 5. Correct? Tan A is nothing but what? Opposite by adjacent, which is 4 by 3. Correct? Cosecant A, we know that it is 1 by sin A. So then reciprocal madabeka. Yes or no? We need to reciprocal it. So it is 5 by 4. Clear? And when we talk about cosecant A aata, secant A is 1 by cos A, reciprocal of whatever is given, which is nothing but what? 3 by 4. Fine. And the next thing we have over here is nothing but what? Secant A admele your cot A will be 1 by tan A is equals to what? Reciprocal is nothing but what? 3 by 4. Fine. Yes. I hope it is clear now. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದನ ನಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ನೋ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ if angle B and angle Q are acute angles angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B is equals to sin Q then prove that angle B is equals to angle Q yes madri do it fast students I am giving you 1 minute time do it fast done now what is acute angle acute angle the angle which is less than 90 degree the angle which is less than 90 degree then such type of angles are said to be acute angle done yes ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎರಡು ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಫೈನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿ ಯೋರ್ ಓಕೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಓಕೆ ಬಿ ಅದ ಬಿ is a acute angle now B is an acute angle over here angle which is less than 90 degree is said to be acute angle so ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೋತೀರಿ ತಗೋರಿ here you can take C ABC and here Q so this is P Q and R correct so they are telling that in this find these two angles whatever they are there we need to show them to show what to show your angle B is equal to angle Q so first of all students they are telling sin B is equals to sin Q then prove that angle B is equals to angle Q so hang proceed ಮಾಡೋಣ sin B from this triangle sin B will be equals to what sin B will be equals to what students sin B will be equals to opposite is AC divided by yes AC divided by what we have BC clear and sin Q another sin Q opposite is what PR divided by we have QR PR divided by QR now since we have sin B is equals to sin Q we can tell from here that AC divided by BC is equals to PR divided by QR correct AC divided by BC is equals to PR divided by QR now front next what we can do students from here ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ what we can do from here next okay can we take this ratio as equals to some k equal ಅದ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ can we take this ratio as some equals to k ತಗೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ so what will happen students over here AC is equals to some k times of BC and your PR is equals to some k times of QR correct ada yes or no now coming to the next side that is nothing but what we have okay now in this triangle students your AB square or else if in this triangle if I use Pythagoras theorem find your BC square will be equals to AB square plus AC square correct so AB square will be equals to what students BC square minus AC square alla yes or no so AB will be equals to what square root of BC square minus AC square clear aata ಫೈನ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನ, ಫೈನ್, ಬಟ್ still different kind of problem. In this triangle, if I use Pythagoras theorem, your QR square is equals to PQ square plus PR square. Correct? So from here, whatever your PQ square is there, it is nothing but what? QR square minus PR square. Correct ada? Or PQ will be equals to what, students? Square root of QR square minus PR square. Clear alla? Understood? Enu confusion ada illi? So from here now, if I take the ratio AB divided by PQ, clear? AB divided by PQ, nan ratio tagota ideni. So what will happen, students? It will be nothing but square root of BC square minus AC square divided by, okay, square root of QR square minus we have PR square. Correct? Now BC is nothing but what? Or AC is nothing but what? Can I tell square root of it is BC square minus we have here AC as K times of BC, so K square BC square. ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Divided by denominator we have nothing but what, students? QR square, let it be as it is, minus K square times we have QR square. Clear ada? Understood? So what will happen, students, from here? AB by PQ, okay, will be equals to, look at this, fine, here BC will BC common ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ನಾನು. BC square if I take common, it will be 1 minus K square divided by, if I take again QR square common, it will be 1 minus K square. So AB by PQ will be equals to, it will come outside, it will be BC square under root of, sorry, BC square will come outside the root, it will become BC square root of 1 minus K square, QR square root of 1 minus K square. So definitely this will get cancelled. So we have AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR, and BC by QR is equals to what? BC by QR is equals to okay, BC by QR is equals to what? AC by PR. Correct or no? So all the three adjacent sides of the triangle, we are able to show that it is equals to what? Some K. All these sides we are able to show that it is some K. So can I tell triangle ABC, okay, is congruent to triangle PQR? Correct? So angle B is equals to angle C. Two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angle should also be equal. Yes or no? Speed madla. Circle chapter difficult ಅಥವಾ ಏರಿಯಾ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಕಲ್? ಏರಿಯಾ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಈಸಿ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 9th ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ಫೈನ್, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಹೌ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೊಂದೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ? ಫೈನ್. ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ sides of the triangle are in the same ratio. Congruent ಬರಲ್ಲ. Congruency rule we use SAS criteria ಆ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರೆ. But here I am telling that whatever the corresponding sides of the triangles are there are in the same ratio, then two triangles are similar, so the corresponding angles must also be equal. Clear? Very nice. Next. Yes. Right angle triangle at C is the right angled, in which AB is 29 units, BC is 21 units, and angle ABC is equals to theta. Determine these values they are telling. Madboda? Fine. Can you do, students? Okay. I'll help you with this. Nodre ille. This is the triangle we have. This is the angle theta over here. They are telling that right angled at C. Okay. Right angled at C andra. This is C. Okay, this we can take it as A, and this we can take it as B. Fine. They are telling that AB value is the longest side, which is 29. BC value, BC 21 ada. Then this side will be how much? Fast ag nange AC value ಹೇಳ್ರಿ chat box nag. Tell me the value of AC. AC, we know that AB square will be equals to AC square plus BC square, correct? So AB value is nothing but what? 29 square. AC value enagtada, we need to find AC square value, plus BC value is nothing but what? 21 square. Okay, 29 square value. Fast agi. Anyone can help me in chat box, or else my calculator will help me. Bapa calculator avura screen mag barri salpa. 29 into 29 is 841. 841, and this will come this side, it will become 441 is equals to AC square. So this is nothing but what? 400 is equals to AC square. So from here AC value will be equals to what? 20. So this is 20. Banta 20. How many of you got this value as 20? Very nice. Clear? Now going to find the value of sine theta, cos theta. Yes, so we have sine theta value. First one I am doing over here. First one, sine theta value is nothing but what? Opposite by hypotenuse, 21 by 29, and cos theta value is nothing but what? 20 by 29. Clear? Now next we have sine square theta value is 441 divided by 841, correct alla? 841 banditala, yes. And cos square theta value is nothing but what? 400 divided by 841. Clear? Now first one, sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is nothing but what? 441 by 841 plus 400 by 841, which is nothing but what? 841 by 841. So answer is what? 1 over here. Clear ada? Fine. Done. Second one, sine square theta minus cos square theta. When yes, ulta they are asking. Yes, cos square theta minus sine square theta. This value enagtade students iga cos square theta andra yes ellada 400 divided by 841 minus 441 divided by 841. So we have minus 41 divided by 841. Clear alla? Yes, very nice. Abhi minus appa negative barbeka. Fine. 400 minus 441. Clear alla? Understood? Yes. Next problem. Do this. In a right angle triangle, right angled at B, if tan A value is 1, tan A value 1 idra, then verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Yes. Okay, no problem. Idan madri. Verify madbeka. So they are telling that right angle triangle is there, right angled at B. I don't have any issues. Right angled at B. Clear? Here we have A. Here we have C. They are telling that tan A value. Tan A value, they are telling that 1. 1 anna, can I write it down as 1 by 1 students? So which is nothing but what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So opposite another is A other angle A. This is 1 we have, this is 1 we have, and this will be square root of 2. 1 square plus 1 square under the root. Yes or no? So now from here, what do we have? Another num kade. We have sine A value is equals to 1 by root 2, and cos A value is equals to what? 1 by root 2. Now since we are getting both the things over here, we have to come and substitute in this equation LHS, which is 2 sin A cos A. Fine, which is nothing but what? 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. So which is nothing but what? 2 by root 2 into root 2 is nothing but what? 2, and this is value is 1. Clear alla? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 1 over here. Fine, verified. Understood everyone? AB is equals to BC. AB is equals to BC. Yes. Fine. Clear ಅದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಾಗ? ಟಕ್ 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 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸತ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಫೈನ್. Yes. Next we have in triangle OPQ right angled at P. In triangle OPQ right angled at P. OP 7 centimeters other. OQ minus PQ 1 centimeter other. And determine the value of sin Q and cos Q. You need to determine the values of sin Q and cos Q. Can you do this fast? Here in the chat box naga, or we will do and then we will verify our answers. Okay. So this is the right angled triangle, right angled at P. P is another. We can tell that again anything idea is given. Illa idun Q togolona, idun O togolona. Fine. So OP they are telling that it is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter and the difference between OQ and PQ. OQ and PQ is 1 centimeter. Yes. Clear Allah? Here see, they are telling that OQ minus PQ is equals to 1 centimeter. Clear? Yes. Pythagoras theorem nan enare apply madidra ee triangle naga only one side is given. We can take this as 1. OQ is equals to 1 plus PQ. Fine. So if I apply the right angle triangle property over here in this triangle, your PQ square, or sorry, OQ square will be equals to OP square plus PQ square. Clear? Now OQ is nothing but what, students? 1 plus PQ square. Correct other? OP square value 7 square other, and PQ let it be, PQ square let it be as it is. A plus B whole square formula 1 plus PQ square plus we have 2 PQ. Clear? 7 square is 49 plus PQ square. So this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. Yes or no? Correct other? Illi tanka enu doubt? Do you people have any doubt till here? Tell me fast. Yes or no? Fine. So we have 1 plus 2 PQ is equal to your 49, or 2 times of PQ will be equals to 48, or PQ value will be equals to what, students? 24. Clear? So PQ value 24 banta, PQ value 24 bandra, OQ value will be 25. Is there any doubt? Fast agi helbek nange. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಅದ ಏನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ? ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ರೈಟ್? I have applied the Pythagoras theorem over here. OQ value is 1 plus PQ square. A plus B whole square formula is A square, B square, 2AB, 1 other. So 1 into PQ, 2 into PQ, 49, PQ square, cancel on both the sides. 1 plus 2 PQ, 49, bringing this side 48, PQ value 24. Done? Yes. Super. Now next here, next bandbitta, we need to find the value of sin Q. Sin Q is nothing but what? This is our angle Q opposite by this. So it will be 7 by 25. And cos Q value will be nothing but what? 24 by 25. Doubt idra fast agi ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Doubt ada? Yes. 7 by 25. Nothing I have done appa. They are telling that OQ minus PQ is 1. So OQ value will be 1 plus PQ. Pythagoras theorem apply madideni. Identity apply madideni. PQ value 24 banta, and this value will be what? 24 plus 1, 25. Then find the angles. Done? Chalo. Next. This is easy ada. If secant theta is 13 by 12, secant theta 13 by 12 ada, then you need to find other trigonometric ratios. Easy problem Allah. Can we do this quickly? This is theta over here we have. Secant theta andre ena? Secant theta, they are telling that it is 13 by 12. So it is nothing but what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So this is 12, this is 13, then this should be 5. Okay, Pythagoras theorem apply madidra. Okay, not understood, no? We can take this as B, we can take this as A and C. So AC square should be equals to AB square plus BC square. Clear? AC square value 13 square ada, AB square value 12 square ada, plus BC square we have. So BC square will be equals to 13 is 169 minus 144 will be 25. So this implies BC value is 5. Clear? 5 ಅಂತ. Understood? Clear the 5 marks ಈ type of problems ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ. Okay? Done? Or else they might ask you in MCQs. Next from here students, your sin theta. Sin theta will be equals to what? Opposite, that is 5 by 13. Cos theta will be equals to what? 12 by 13. Tan theta will be equals to what? Adjacent, fine, opposite by adjacent, 5 by 12. Clear? Cosecant theta will be equals to what? Yes, cosecant theta will be nothing but what? 13 by 5. And cot theta will be equals to what? Yes, it will be 12 by 5. Clear? Enu confusion na? Helri nanga. Cos is 13 by 5. Manya, very nice. Remaining reciprocal. Yes. Super. Done. Easy problem ala. Fine. Now next problem you will do it as an homework. Sin A is 3 by 4. Find cos A and tan A. Very easy students. Fine. Aram se maadbodu. Yes or no? Fine. Homework. You'll do it as a practice problem. Fine. Next. Yes. If cot theta is 7 by 8, cot theta value is 7 by 8, evaluate the value of 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, cot square theta. Mad. Fast I. Do it fast. Giving you some time. 1 minute. Yes. Poll ಕೊಡ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪೋಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದಾವ. ಫೈನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪೋಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಿನಿಶ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಡನ್ನ? ಎಸ್, ಚಲೋ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಟೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು. ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಕೇಳತ್ತಾರ. ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಅಂತೂ ಈಸಿ ಅದ. ಫೈನ್. ಕಾಟ್ ಟೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ they are telling 7 by 8. Cot theta value they are telling 7 by 8, which is nothing but what? Okay, so this is nothing but what? Cot theta is 7 by 8, then it is opposite by hypotenuse. Adjacent by opposite. Clear? So if I construct a right angle triangle, this value is theta, correct? Then adjacent will be this will be 8. Idu ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದ ಆಮೇಲೆ? Fine. So if this is the triangle ABC, we have AC square is equals to BC square plus AB square. Clear? So AC square will be equals to what? BC square. BC square another 8 square, that is 64, plus we have nothing but what, 49, correct? So AC square value will be nothing but what, students, over here 64 plus 49, 60 40 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100, we will get 103 ಬರ್ತದ ಸರ್, ಇರೋದು ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಫೈನ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 11th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಈಗ ಬೇಡ, ಯು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 11th. ಫೈನ್, ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್, ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಮರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. AC square value 103, you people are getting 40 40 30 100 113 mostly. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? This value is 113, 7 by 8, adjacent is 7 8. Is this value 113, students? Is this value 113? 49 by 64. Okay, so AC value is equals to square root of 113. Mostly cancel ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Definitely it will get cancelled, so it will be easy to solve. So we have 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta whole divided by, we have 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos theta. Clear? So 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta, which is nothing but what, 1 plus sine theta value. Okay, this is square root of 113. Clear ada? Yes. So from here, students, we have 1 plus sine theta value is nothing but what, 8 square root of 113 multiplied by 1 minus 8 square root of 113. Okay, this whole divided by, we have 1 plus 7 divided by square root of 113 multiplied by 1 minus 7 divided by square root of 113. Clear? ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ LCM ತಗೊಂಡ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Okay, so it will be square root of 113 plus 8 multiplied by square root of 113 minus 8 divided by, you have square root of 113 plus 7 multiplied by square root of 113 minus 7. Clear? Understood? Clear alla? Yes or no? Taking the LCM, cancelling out. Fine. Okay, understood alla? So from here, what do we have, students? This is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So 113 minus, it will be nothing but what, 8 square. Okay, so it will be square root of 113 whole square minus 8 square divided by square root of 113 whole square minus 7 square. So which is nothing but what, students? Here this and this will get cancelled. So 113 minus, it will be 8 square is 64 divided by 113 minus 49. Clear? So 113 minus 64. Clear? 113 minus 64 andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ? 49 ಬರ್ತದ? 49 by 64? Yes, 49 by 64. Fine. So this is the answer for the first one. This is 49 by 64. And cot square theta. Cot theta value 7 by 8 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This value is also 49 by 64. Okay. ಇದನ್ನ we will solve with identity later on. ಈಗ ಬೇಡ. Fine. Clear? Okay. Yes, sin 35 degree value 90 minus 45 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Fine. Will we get 90 minus 45? ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? 5. Done? Understood everyone? 49 by 64, 49 by 64. Clear? Understood? Fast ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಂಗೆ. Clear ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ. Both the answer we are getting 49 by 64 over here. Is there any confusion? Fine. Yes. Next. If 3 cot A is equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A cos square A minus sin square A or not. Can you do? No sir, ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅದ. I don't think so. We are getting everything same. Fine. In this question, students, whatever your cot A value other, cot A value is equals to 4 by 3. Okay, cot A value is what? 4 by 3. So if cot A value is 4 by 3, fine, cot A value is 4 by 3, then what will be the value of tan A, students? Tan A value will be 3 by 4. Correct. Now if I construct a triangle, actually ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ, but ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. So tan A is nothing but what? This is 3, this is 4, this should be 5. Clear? This is an angle A. So sin A from here will be equals to 3 by 5, and cos A from here will be nothing but what? 4 by 5. All these values we have got. We'll take LHS, RHS and separately solve madona. Madona, LHS. What we have? 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Okay. So what do we have, students, over here? 1 minus tan value is what? 3 by 4 whole square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square, which is nothing but what? 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. So which is nothing but what? 16 minus 9. Clear? 16 minus 9 divided by 16, and again 16 plus 9 divided by 16. 16 will get cancelled. So 16 minus 9, 7 divided by 25. Are you people getting this? 7 by 25. Super Abhi, very nice. Super. Done. Done now? Clear? Yes. Fine. Next from here we have RHS. RHS anna tagolona, which is nothing but what? Cos square A minus sin square A. Yes, cos square A, what do we have? 4 by 5 whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square. So 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25, which is again nothing but what? 16 minus 9 is 7 by 25. Both are equal. Both are equal. LHS is equals to RHS. Done. Next topic, we have trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. Trigonometric ratios for some specific angles over here. Done, Ada? Clear? Shall we continue with this topic? Fine. Not really. Yes. So here we'll take the functions. Functions here we'll take, and the angle theta we will take over here. Okay. Clear? Yes. So we have nothing but what, students? Sin theta. Functions I am taking it over here. So yes, we have sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, okay, secant theta, cosecant theta. Clear? Okay, fine. Hello everyone, namaskara ellarigu. So here we have 0 degrees, 30 degrees, correct, 45 degrees, fine, 60 degrees, and then we have 90 degrees. Clear? Ignore. How will you remember this table is? Sin 0 degree value is 0. Correct? First row ashta nenapidri. Sin 0 degree value is 0. Sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Correct? Sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Correct? Sin 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. And sin 90 degree value is 1. Okay. Now when we talk for your cos theta, this complete table first row nim nenapidra reverse agbiduttade. Cos 90 degree value is 0. Here it will be 1 by 2. Here it will be 1 by root 2. Here it will be root 3 by 2. And here it will be 1. Clear? Now tan theta is nothing but what, students? Sin theta by cos theta. Divide madri. 0 by 1 is 0. Yes or no? 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. We will get 1 by root 3. Here it will be 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. We'll get it as 1. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 will get cancelled. We'll get root 3. And here it is undefined. Here it is undefined. Clear? Cot theta value. Cot theta value is nothing but what? Reverse of this. 1 by 0 is again undefined. Here it will be root 3. Here it will be 1. Here it will be 1 by root 3. And here it will be 0. Idunu ulta barthbidu. Done nada? Now secant theta is 1 by cos theta. 1 by 1 is 1. Here it will be 2 by root 3. Clear? Nodri. First row nenapidra sak. All the other things you will get. Yes or no? So 2 by root 3 you have. Here you have root 2. Here you have 2. And 1 by 0 is again undefined. Clear? Next, coming to cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is nothing but what, students? 1 by 0 undefined. Clear? Undefined. Or else you can take reverse of this. Illi 2 bartada. Illi root 2 na bartada. Here it will be 2 by root 3. And here it will be 0. Sorry, here it will be 1. Clear everyone? Table nodkori. Look at the table, because after this we will do some problems. Fine. Identities, if you want, we can combine with the second applications of applications of trigonometric topic ಜೊತೆ combine ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, that is trigonometric ratios and trigonometric ratios of some specific angle, we can use the identities there. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? Yes, we'll do MCQs. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Do this question first. 45 seconds ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾರು ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಡನ್ನ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾ, ಈಸಿ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕು ಬೇಡ, ಏನೂ ಬೇಡ. ಹೌದನಿಲ್ಲ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ tan 30 degree value we know. 2 times of we have tan 30 degree. That is nothing but what? 2 into tan 30 degree value. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ? Which is nothing but what? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Which is nothing but what? Sin 30 degree 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Yes or no? Fine. Yes. Sorry. Tan 30 degree value ಅಲ್ಲ. It is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. And 1 plus we have 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay. Clear? Yes. Now next students, we have 2 by root 3. And here we have divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. So which is 2 by root 3 divided by we have 3 is 4, 4 by 3. Clear? So 2 by root 3 and the reciprocal of this will be 3 by 4. Fine. So 2 ones are 2s are. And here we have 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3 into 2. It will get cancelled. So root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is nothing but what? Sin 60 degree. Okay. Yes, it is sine 60 degrees. So option 1 is correct. Option A is correct. Short trick I also know. Yes, short trick is what you know, students. Nimgilla mostly identity, I don't know, but for higher classes it is there. Find 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. If it is like this, okay, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, direct answer is sine 2 theta. Direct answer is sine 2 theta. Clear? Now if you see over here, theta value is estada 30 degrees ada. So 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equals to what? Sine of 2 times of 30 degrees, which is sine of 60 degrees. Clear? So option 1. Yes or no? Houdaniಲ್ಲ ಇದಲ್ಲ short trick. Clear? Understood? Very nice. Option A is correct. Abhi very nice. Done? Next problem ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಚಲ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 minus tan square 45 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Okay, do this. This also we have shortcut, but not necessary. Direct answer bandbirtade. Find direct answer we will get. Direct answer we will get, students, over here. Not necessary of any short trick. Okay, fine. So what do we have over here? We have 1 minus 1 square divided by 1 plus 1 square. So which is nothing but what? 0 divided by 2. Answer in after directly 0. Option 4 is correct. Fine. Option D is correct. Chalo. Next. Sine 2a will be equals to 2 sine a is true when a is equals to. Madri fast agi nodono. Sine 2a should be equals to 2 sine a when a value is. A, okay. Option by option verify madri, or else if you take your a value as equals to 0 degrees, sine of 2 times of a is equals to what? Sine of 2 times of 0 degrees, which is equals to what? Sine of 2 times of 0 degrees, 0 degree na bartada, which is 0, and 2 times of sine a is equals to 2 times of sine 0 degree, which is nothing but what? 0 again. Clear? So in that case, option 1 is correct. Done Allah. Okay. So option A is correct. Super everyone. Very nice. We'll do some problems. Come back to this. Fine. Yes. In a right angle triangle ABC, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗೋನಲ್ಲಿ. Fine. ABC. AB is 5 centimeter. Angle ACB is 30 degree. Determine the length of BC and AC. Easy ada? Easy ada enilla? Hello everyone. Welcome to the session, Ma Sheila. Fine. Yes. So in the triangle ABC, right angled at B. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Right angled at B over here. They are telling that angle ACB is 30 degrees. And they are telling that your AB is 5 centimeter. Correct? Yes or no? Clear, the students? Now, from here, whatever the sine theta is there, or sine C value, Sin C value will be nothing but what, students, over here? AB divided by AC. Clear? Now C angle 30 degree ada. Angle C is 30 degree. So sin 30 degree value will be equals to AB. AB is 5 divided by AC. So from here, students, sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. So 5 by AC. So AC value will be equals to what? 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. Clear or no? So this is 10, this is 5. Ondantu value namge already bandada. Then we can go to other value by Pythagoras theorem. Yes or no? We can go by Pythagoras theorem or not. So can we tell AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is 10 square, AB square is 5 square plus BC square, let it be as it is. So 100 will be equals to 25 plus BC square. So BC square value will be equals to what? 75. So BC value will be equals to square root of 75, which is square root of 25 into 3, so which is 5 root 3. Clear? So BC is 5 root 3 centimeter. Clear or problem? Clear or fast agi? Very nice. Super, super. Done? Yes. In a right angle triangle, the right angled at Q, fine. They are telling that your PQ is 3 centimeter, PR is 6 centimeter, then angle QPR and angle PRQ you need to find. Madre nodono. 1 minute time I'll give. Fast agi. Do it correctly without any mistakes. So Sajana, clear alama? No confusion alla? Yes. Look at this. Time waste madod beda. This is the triangle right angled at Q. Okay, here we have P, here we have suppose R. PQ ಹೇಳಾತಾರ 3 centimeter ಅದ, ಮತ್ತೇನು ಹೇಳಾತಾರ PR ಹೇಳಾತಾರ which is 6 centimeter. Then this is the side you need to find. Yes or no? So if I apply Pythagoras theorem, PR square will be equals to QR square plus PQ square. So from here you need to find the value of QR square, which will be equals to PR square minus PQ square. Correct? QR square. Now find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ PR. 6 square is 36 minus we have 3 square is 9, which is 25. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಅಲ್ಲ 25 ಅಲ್ಲ, 25 ಬರ್ತದೇನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, 27 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, so this is 27. Yes, so this is 27. Clear? Okay. Yes. From here we have QR square is equals to 27. So next we have QR is equals to square root of 27, which can be written as square root of 9 into 3. So which is 3 root 3. Clear? So this side is 3 root 3. Now your angles we need to find. Okay, so they are telling QPR students. Okay, so sine of angle P, sine of angle P. Okay, so a sine of angle P andra actually I am finding this angle sine, which is nothing but what? Opposite enada, opposite idakke enada, this is the opposite. Correct? This is the opposite. Hypotenuse fix irtada, which is nothing but what? Your QR, and the adjacent will be what? This PQ. So sine P will be equals to what, students, over here? QR value is 3 root 3 divided by PQ value is 3. So 3 will get cancelled. Okay, root 3 bantalla, root 3 bandra sine P sigangilla. Okay. Okay, I have done a mistake. It will be QR divided by PR. QR another this, and we have this as 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So sine P value is nothing but what? Root 3 by 2. So when we'll get, students? When P is equals to 60 degrees. So from here your angle QPR is equals to root 3 by 2. Hodala? Yes or no? Correct? It's not PRQ, it's PQR. Clear other? Angle QPR is root 3 by 2. Tell me. Clear? Okay. Similarly, we'll go to find the angle PRQ. Sine of angle R. R illada illad. Okay. So it will be nothing but what? This is opposite. This is there. Clear? You can use the angle property also. Fine. Ain problem illa. It is PQ divided by PR. PQ value is 3 and PR value is 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So sine R value is 1 by 2. So from here your angle R will be equals to 60 degrees. Sorry, 30 degrees. Fine. So angle PRQ is 30 degrees. Clear? Done? Chal. If sine A minus B is 1 by 2 cos A plus B, fine. Okay. Sorry. They are telling sine A minus B is 1 by 2, cos of A plus B is 1 by 2, and A plus B is less than 90 degrees. Fine. Then the value of A and B are. Yes, very nice. Manya, Saujanya, Abhi, Siddhappa, very nice appa. Siddhappa antu answer full agi chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾನ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಡನ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್. Sin A minus B is 1 by 2. Clear? Sin A minus B is 1 by 2, students, over here. Or can I write it down? Sin A minus B is equals to 1 by 2 andra. Can I write it down as sine of 30 degrees? Baribodala. So therefore, can I tell that your A minus B is equals to 30? Bariboda 30 degrees anta. Two equations will get simultaneously solve madbitri ashta. Now they are telling that cos of A plus B is equals to 1 by 2. So cos of A plus B is equals to cos of 60 degrees. So which is nothing but what? A plus B is equals to what? 60 degrees. So yard angle bant namga. Haudanilla. Two equations we are getting. Aram se now solve madboda. Madbodenilla. Nodri illi. We have A plus B. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. And we have A minus B is equals to 30 degrees. Just add both the equations. Just add both the equations. Add madidra. Here this will get cancelled. We have 2A is equals to 90 degrees. A value is equals to what? 45 degrees. Haudanilla. Helri. Yes or no? Fine. Elimination method. Yes. Correct. Fine. Or else you can do what? Substitution method also. Nimishta. Fine. Now if I substitute in one of the equation, A minus B is equals to 30 degrees. So B will be equals to what? A minus 30 degrees. 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Which is equals to what? 15 degrees. Clear the? Fine. Okay. Fine, students. Clear or not? So B is equals to 15 degrees. Clear? Yes. Fine. Next. Maja baravattada students class. This is same type of problem. Okay. Tan A plus B root 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Tan A minus B 1 by root 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Hi Pa Shetra. Namaskara. Fine. So you are going to practice this problem. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫೈನ್ ಡನ್ ಅದ ಎಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ MCQ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ giving you the poll for 30 seconds do it fast 2 tan 30 degree 1 minus tan square 30 degree shortcut ada idukku okay there is a shortcut for this you can do it without any problem okay no problem ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನ್ we have the direct trick 2 tan a if we have divided by 1 minus tan square a ಈ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದ್ರ the direct answer for this will be tan of 2a okay identity ಇದೆ fine remember this short trick ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರ if we have 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a the direct answer for this will be nothing but what sin 2a fine clear ada two identities or two shortcuts you can consider so here when there is minus students here it will be tan okay and here when there is plus here it will be sin tan alla bislak tirgadak hogtiralla aa tan alla nam trigonometry tan fine not this tan ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ correct fine okay not this tan students sir bicep flex ಮಾಡಾತಿರಿ ಅನ್ನಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ fine clear yes so from here students if we take in this your a value is equals to 30 degrees clear so we have 2 tan 30 degrees divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees is equals to what tan of 2 times of 30 degrees which is equals to tan of 60 degrees clear so option 3 is correct flex gone wrong okay fine so option C is correct okay fine next yes write all the other trigonometric ratios of a in terms of secant a okay ಈಗ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ okay or secant a terms naga other ratios of angle a in terms of secant a okay ಇದಕ್ಕೆ identity ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು once we study identity we can use this clear ಇದೆಲ್ಲ identity based ಅದಾವ fine so let us go through identities now students one topic ಉಳಿದದ identities okay ಇಲ್ಲಿ problems ಅದಾವ look at this ಈ problem ಮಾಡ್ರಿ yes here there are few problems remaining yes flex gone wrong okay yes do this students evaluate the following fine sin 60 degree cos 30 degree sin 30 degree cos 60 degree ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ Done? Yes, fine. Super everyone. So you'll note sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree value is also root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree. Sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3 by 4 plus we have 1 by 4 which is 4 by 4. Correct Allah? 4 by 4. Answer is 1. 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. Fine, done. 5 by 4 hakidri answer. I have seen it. Catch you. Done. Yes. Evaluate the following. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Yes. Do the students. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus this. Easy? Yes. So here we have 2 times of, we can write it down as tan 45 degree whole square plus cos 30 degree whole square minus sin 60 degree whole square. Hing bariboda? 2 times of, it will be 1 whole square plus cos 60 degree is nothing. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 whole square. Sorry. This is 1 by 2 whole square. Correct it. Root 3 by 2 whole square minus again root 3 by 2 whole square. So these both are same, it will get cancelled. Answer is directly 2. 2 answer is 2. 1 alla. Yarada 1 andidda. Next, evaluate this following. Quick ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Whatever your answers are there students, integer ನಾಗ answer ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ನಂಗೆ. 30 seconds time. Integer type question. Yes, here we have sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree is 1 minus cosecant 60 degree. Sin 60 degree, it is root 3 by 2. Cosecant will be opposite of that, 2 by root 3. Ishtu nenapidre saku. Correct? And this whole divided by secant 60 degree, secant 30 degree. Fine, it is again 2 by root 3. Clear? Plus cos 60 degree, it is nothing but what? Root 3 by 2. Clear? And plus 1. Okay. So from here students, if you take the LCM now, it is 2 root 3. Okay, 2 root 3. Here we need to multiply it by what? Root 3. Root 3. Here we need to plus 2 root 3. Correct? Minus we have 2 into 2 is 4. Whole divided by, again 2 root 3 is the LCM. Correct? So here we need to multiply by what? 2, that is 4. Plus here we have nothing but what? Root 3 into root 3, which is 3. And plus we have 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 will get cancelled. So we have 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3 plus 7. Are you getting this as the answer? Idhak answer ida bantena. Okay. Okay, fine. So after this students, if you want, you can rationalize it. Fine. Rationalize ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Root 3 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by, you have 2 root 3 plus 7 multiply by 2 root 3 plus 7, 2 root 3 minus 7 divided by 2 root 3 minus 7. Clear? So from here students, you will have 3 root 3 minus 4 multiplied by 2 root 3 minus 7 divided by, in denominator we will have 2 root 3 whole square minus 7 square. So if you multiply over here, 3 2s it is 6, 6 into root 3 will be 3. Correct? Minus we have 7 3s are 21 root 3 plus minus we have 4 2s are 8 root 3 minus of minus plus 28. divided by, we have 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 14, 9. Okay, so which is 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 28, 36, 46. 46 minus 29 root 3 divided by 12 minus 49. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ 39 39 minus 49, 39, 39 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 37. Something like this will get the answer. Yes, 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? 3 2s are 6, 6 into 3 is 18. Okay, 3. Next we have 7 3s are 21 root 3 minus 4 2s are 8 root 3, 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6 3s are 18. Okay, we'll get 38, 38 plus 8, which is 46. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 Allah. Okay, cos 60 degree value over here is correct adala, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, correct. I have done a mistake, students, sorry. Fast ಮಾಡಾಗ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Understood? Okay, so yes, here we have this as cos 60 degree value as 1 by 2. Correct, Omkar, very nice. Clear? So from here, students, 1 by 2 plus 1 will be 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Correct? Hing simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರ. And here also we will have nothing but what? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus 3 by 2. So if we take the LCM over here, fine. So here it will be nothing but what? 2 by root 3 ಬರ್ತದ, and here it will be 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by we have 2 root 3, 2 2s are 4 plus here we have 3 root 3. So this will get cancelled. Okay, so what do we have, students? Finally we have 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. Correct ada? Yes or no? Fine. So if you want to rationalize, you can rationalize, or you can keep it as it is. So 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4 multiplied by 3 root 3, 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 minus 4. Numerator it is 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. Denominator it is 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square, which is numerator if I expand, it is 9 into 3 plus 16 minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4. This whole divided by denominator we will be having nothing but what? Yes, denominator nage ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ 3 root 3 whole square, 9 into we will be having 3 minus 16. Clear? So from here, students, we have 9 plus 3 is 27. 27 plus 16 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24 root 3 divided by, we have 27 minus 16. So from here we have 27 plus 16. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ 37 37 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. This is what we are getting. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ? Fine, done ada? Next problem. Yes, look at this. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. Fine, the pole was some 0. Yes, because correct ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಫೈನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ. 45 seconds ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್. 5 times of it is nothing but what? 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 times of secant square 30 degree, correct, which is nothing but what, root 3 by 2 or ulta 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1 square divided by denominator nega, here we have 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, done other. Okay, so from here we have nothing but what, students, 5 by 4 plus 4 times of, we have 4 by root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1 divided by, we have 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Okay, so denominator we have nothing but what, students, 5 by 4 plus we have 4, this is 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1. Correct ada? Yes or no? 67 by 12. Super pa. Whoever is getting the answer. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು LCM ನೋಡಿದ್ರ 4 and 3 LCM is 12. Here I need to multiply by 3 and here I need to multiply by 4. So 15 into 3 is 15, 5 3s are 15, 16 4s are 64 minus 1, correct. So this is nothing but what, students, 64 yes, 74, 79 by 12 minus 1. So which is nothing but what, 12 bartada. 79 minus 12 is nothing but what, 67 by 12. This is the answer. Yes, 5.5. 5.5. Yes. Clear ada? Understood or not? 67 by 12 or 5.5. Approximate. Done? Clear? Understood? Yes. So new ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಈಗ. What shall we do, students? Should we start with this topic over here? ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದನ್ನ, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಕವರ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್? ವಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಬೆಟರ್? ಹೌದನಿಲ್ಲ? ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನದಾವ ಒಂದ ಸತಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ. ಹೌದನಿಲ್ಲ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So if we see the trigonometric identities, Mura identities adava. You have 3 main identities, students, which you need to remember. All the other identities you'll remember in the next class, that is class 11th, if you opt for science. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Clear? Now in this you'll learn 2 sub things. Arrangement itarda, okay, that is nothing but what, sin square a is equals to 1 minus cos square a, and also we have cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Okay, clear? Yeah, next class madona. Just I will give the list of identities, then I'll give you the problems. Practice madri ನೀವು. If you are not able to do, we will do it in the next class. Okay, yes. Next we have next set of identities. Your secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Again you will study 2 identities over here. Okay, yes. So that is nothing but what, students, you will study your tan square a is equal to secant square a minus 1, and also secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು. ಮಸ್ತಾಗಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹೌದನಿಲ್ಲ? ಟಕ್ 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 ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಆತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಡನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಸ್ cosecant square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Next class little bit tough MCQs will do. Trigonometry naga ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ tough MCQs ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಫೈನ್? Okay, yes. Here also we have 2 subparts in this rearrangement basically. So that is nothing but what, cot square a is equals to cosecant square a minus 1 and the other part is your cosecant square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A. Done? Okay? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Something is missing. Okay. Fine? Yes. So, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ. Fine. This all questions are there. I will give them to you as a practice. Fine. 4 questions ಅದಾವ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಯಾಗ we can continue. Fine. Clear ಅದ? Understood everyone? Fine. Yes. Surface area nu easy ada. Next topic. Fine. After your introduction to trigonometry, we have circles, area related to the circles, ಆಮೇಲೆ surface areas ಅದ. Okay? Fine. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Don't worry. Fine. Easy topic ಅದ. Done ಅದ? Clear students? Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸೋನು. And next class we will meet again students. Fine. Correct ಆಗಿ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬರ್ರಿ. Science class ನಿನ್ನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Yesterday there was a science class, I think, right? Fine. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬರ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಫೈನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಸಿಗೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಚಲ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.